watch carefully.
I knew he was spending a lot of time at the piano, but
basically that means this is me, this is Jane.
We got a delivery to a bike shop, which I believe is here, so. Uber Eats?
Your long johns have buckled up, and then they have made you fall over.
McDonald's! Hi. You just raided my village in Coinmaster.
I'm a close talker, so I was excited about all new Colgate Total.
Sick of this. Get those Just Eat fools on the line for me. We're gonna do this doggy style.
Did somebody say just eat?
Me, get delivery like a G. See, hungry dogs gotta eat.
Help!